हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई ज्योति वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन डू अ डाई फॉर स्टडी चैनल। आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं हाउ द कैमल गॉट हिज हम्प क्लास 8 की बुक से, इट्स सो हैपेंड बुक से क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। व्हाट टास्क डू यू थिंक वर असाइंड टू द डॉग एंड ऑक्स। ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ये कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं। द डॉग वॉज असाइंड द टास्क of fetching and carrying, and the ox was made to plow the fields. Now let's see the second question. Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? The camel lived in the middle of the desert because it didn't want to work. What made the dog, the horse and the ox very angry? The dog, the horse and the ox were very angry because man, their master, told them to work double time to make up for the camel's idleness. Next question. How did the jinn know the horse was complaining against the camel? The jinn was the master of desert. He was in charge of the desert, so he was able to know easily who the animal with long neck and long leg was. Again comprehension check questions. The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to do to you about the camel? The statement suggests that the camel loved its own image in the pool. Perhaps he considered himself handsome looking. Next question. The camel said hump repeatedly. How did it affect him? The word hump annoyed the jinn. He turned hump into the hump on the camel's back. Next question. What according to the jinn was the use of the hump? The camel's hump contained food material. It helps the desert animal go without any food for 3 days. Question number 4. He was never yet learned to behave. In the light of this, what is the writer's opinion about the camel? The writer is of the opinion that the camel has not changed its nature and habits to this day. Now the next question. Can this story be factfully true? No, the story is not factfully true. It is just an imaginary one. Now next question. What according to you is the story about? Consider the following. How the word began, why everyone should do his her share of work seriously, how animals are important to humans, how the camel got his hump. Answer is here, how the camel got his hump. Now next question. What do you over the weekend? Where were you generally active or idle? Please check back before starting to discuss or answer the question. On weekend I got up late and relaxed. Late every evening I watch my favorite TV serials. I played cricket in the afternoon. I have checked my back and there is no hump. Now next question. There are broadly 2 categories of workers. Those who prefer to do today what they can do tomorrow, and those who prefer to do tomorrow what they can do today. Where do you belong? Answer is here. I personally believe in doing my work promptly and well in time. Now question answers. Why did early man domesticate a few animals? Early man domesticated animals for different purpose. They used them to carry heavy loads, draw carts and plow the field. Next question. Which animal in your opinion is the man's best friend and most useful too? The dog is man's best friend. It provides security and even draw the sledge on ice. It is known for its faithfulness. The horse and the elephants have also been very friendly to man. Next question, do you think the camel renders no service to man? The camel is rightly called the sheep of desert. It renders a variety of services to man. It is the chief means of transport across the desert. It plows the fields and gives milk and meat to its master. Do you think hump on the camel's back has no use? The hump and the camel on the camel, sorry ये n लिखा है on आएगा. The hump on a camel's back is an obstruction in riding but is very useful. It is fat arid food. A camel can get its food from human hump for several days. Who was Jinn? How did he set the camels right? Jinn was in charge of all deserts, so the horse, ox and the dog complained to him about the camel's laziness. The Jinn scolded the camel, gave a hump on its back and ordered it to serve man as did other animals.